Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning Flutter, you must have heard about Dart. But what exactly is Dart? Why is it important and how is it used in Flutter? In this video, I will explain Dart in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. Let's move to the document that I create for you. This is the document of Dart. What is Dart? Dart is the programming language created by Google. It is the official language used in Flutter app development. You write all your Flutter code using Dart. So, to become a Flutter developer, it is very important for you to know about Dart. Why did Google choose Dart for Flutter? Here are the reasons. Dart is a fast and can be compiled to native code. It supports both object-oriented programming, OOP, and functional style programming. It has a clean syntax and easy to read and learn. It supports both hot reload, which is perfect for fast UI changes in Flutter. Basic features of Dart. Let me explain some Dart basics that every beginner should know. First, variables. Variable is a very important concept in Dart. Var name equal to Ali for variable. Here is the var is our variable. Name is the variable's name and Ali is the value of variable. Int, this is the type of integer. Age is variable name. 22 is value of variable. For integer value, double. Height is the variable name and 5.8 is the value of the variable. For decimal value, boolean is student equal to true. This is boolean value function. Void say hello. This is the function name and we print hello world. Okay. Let's move to the conditions and loops. This is the condition. This is the loop. There are multiple conditions in Dart and multiple loops in Dart like for loop, while loop and do while loop. List and maps. These are very important in Dart. Here is the list of fruits. Here is the marks of subjects. Classes and objects. Dart supports object-oriented programming just like Java or C++. This is the example. How Dart is used in Flutter. In Flutter, Dart is used to design UIs, handle user actions, work with data and APIs, create custom widgets. Example, Flutter code using Dart. This is the example. As you can see, Dart is everywhere in Flutter. Conclusion. So to summarize, Dart is the language you use to build apps in Flutter. It's easy to learn, powerful and made by Google. Once you know about Dart, you can build apps for Android, iOS, web, even and desktop all with Flutter. That's it for today's video on Dart language in Flutter. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Flutter content.